When a mighty tornado suddenly engulfed the small town of Greenville, Simone Biles knew her agility and precision would be a lifeline. As the winds howled and debris spiraled dangerously through the air, Simone's gymnastic instincts kicked in. Harnessing her control and body awareness, she backflipped and somersaulted through falling obstacles, narrowly dodging a twirling stop sign by mere inches. At one point, a flailing power line threatened from above, but her aerial training allowed her to vault safely over, landing with flawless poise. As the storm began to weaken, Simone calmly led others to shelter, demonstrating leadership and quick thinking. Through grace and skill, Simone Biles turned a dangerous natural disaster into a platform, showcasing her spectacular survival acumen in the face of a raging storm.